what we are going to achieve. सारे डेवलपमेंट क्यों हो रहे हैं, आज भी जो भी डेवलपमेंट है, AI आ रहा है, हम चांद पे जा रहे हैं, ये सब आखिर ये सब what are the purpose behind all these developments, what is the ultimate objective? Improving the quality of life, that's all. The development, what you guys were what expecting, what what you were expecting, कुछ भी पढ़ा रहे थे तो टॉपिक का पार्टी होगा, सिलेबस का है ना, डेवलपमेंट प्रोसेसेस एंड डेवलपमेंट industry, and in this topic we are largely discuss the social, cultural and political development associated with the social justice. Okay, we are not going to discuss in detail about the economic development. Okay, because already you are having economy classes. Okay, so in this, actually the name of the topic is the development processes and development industry, not the development. Okay, so it means we need to discuss the process of development. Are you getting that point? Because you already know that we are dealing with the subject governance. Okay, so governance involves the processes and the ultimate objective is what? Development, and development is itself a process. Okay, so when we, and the development industry includes what? This industry, when we talk about the development industry, okay, so you must have listened the term primary sector, secondary sector, and tertiary sector. Any other sector have you gone through? What are these? Can anyone explain? ठीक है. Any new sector which is not associated with primary, secondary and tertiary sector? This is MSME is part of primary, secondary. The sector is called voluntary sector. All right, have some idea that you are actually having the topic of governance. Okay, there must be a clue. Okay, so we are not going to study the voluntary sector, that is actually the part of the development industry. Okay, so we need to discuss all the components which are actually contributing in the development process other than state and market. In the polity we have gone through the idea about state. In the evening classes of economy, you or those who have learned with the subject at the name economy, right, the specific subject of economy provides you the information about the market. Okay, that is deal with the specific and exclusive things of economic process. All right, now the two stakeholders have been covered. Third stakeholder is what? Governance stakeholder, that is civil society, and this is civil society is dealing with the development industry, and that all the organization come under civil society, collectively called as voluntary sector. So when we start our new topic, that is development process, so can we know about the what is process, but can we have a proper definition of development? What is development? And that definition should be fitted in all aspect. कुछ ऐसी बताओ जहां पे जो सब जगह फिट हो. What is development? What will you call development? Forget about the idea of economic, social and all. That development should be fitted, the definition should be fitted at all aspects, all dimensions, irrespective of time frame. बताओ. Yes, you can have an attempt. Open. Yes, volunteer. Yes, first. No one is left behind. A short of. Yes. Improving our standard of living. Okay, fine. That word is improving is very important. That's you have also used. Okay, one step ahead. And what else? लैंग्वेज चेंज कर दो. थीम तो पकड़ लिया है ना. बताओ अपनी अपनी डेफिनेशन क्या लिखोगे सब लोग. और बताओ. हाँ, चेंज इन नीड अकॉर्डिंग टू. और बताओ. यस, कुछ एनी आइडिया. हाँ हाँ हाँ. ओके, देखो अभी कैटेगराइज कर दिया सोशल इकोनॉमिक पॉलिटिकल. ठीक, तो व्हाट अबाउट कल्चरल डेवलपमेंट. यू हैव नॉट इनकलकेटेड दैट, है ना. सो रिपीट योर स्टेटमेंट अगेन. हाँ, फाइन, दैट्स फाइन. ओके. हाँ हाँ हाँ. Improving the quality of life include all. So what is the ultimate, whatever the development took place after the evolution of human. ठीक है, whatever the development is taking places after the evolution of human, that are actually objectified towards what we are going to achieve. सारे डेवलपमेंट क्यों हो रहे हैं आज भी. जो भी डेवलपमेंट है, एआई आ रहा है, हम चांद पे जा रहे हैं, ये सब आखिर ये सब व्हाट आर द पर्पस बिहाइंड ऑल दीज डेवलपमेंट्स. व्हाट इज द अल्टीमेट ऑब्जेक्टिव. improving the quality of life, that's all. This is the ultimate objective, improving the quality of life. So whenever we talked about in economic development, whenever we are talked about political development, so why we are asking for political development? To ultimate objective is what? To improve the quality of life. So when we talk about development in terms of social justice, we talk about vulnerable sections. Okay, so whatever development takes place just to ensure the quality of life, and as time evolves we need more components to improve our quality of life. Are you getting the point? Right. So we can define now development in as short as possible as that. What development is can be called as a change, create, right? Development is always a change in state or condition to improved or better state or is it clear? Can this definition be fit for irrespective of time frame, irrespective of geographical location, irrespective of any dimension? Is it clear? Change in state or condition from one condition to another improved condition. The condition is what? हाँ, एक टर्म है improved, right? अगर केवल change लिखोगे, change in a state or condition, it means now Ukraine is also developing. Status of Ukraine is being changed. Kiev is now demolished completely. Okay, the change in status or condition, but it's not being improved. Okay, so this is not development. Are you getting the point? So always there's a fact that improved status of quality of life, right? So this is ultimate objective. Now, which are the stakeholders of this development process? State, market, and civil society. These are the major stakeholders. Okay. Civil society. So civil society includes various types of organization. Civil society is umbrella term, okay, for all those volunteer organization, and these are called volunteer organization. Why? Because they are not made by any law. Formulation or composition of this organization is not binding framework of that organization is not binding. Formulation means there, if the NGO is taking place through, it will be registering through any act, okay, but the existence of that NGO is not based upon any particular act. This is volunteer organization. Yes, no, they can be legal body, but the rationale behind the existence of that NGO is not any law. Are you getting that point? NGO will register themselves under any law. Are you getting the point? The Trust Act, okay, or Society Registration Act in India. So they will register themselves through under this act, okay. Company Act के through company register करती है, but you are not bound to establish any company under any law. Getting that point? That is why they are called volunteer organization, okay. And all the volunteer organization are involving certain interest always, okay. This is the basic component, interest of particular group, okay. So they can be pressure groups, they can be NGOs, they can be self-help groups, they can be charity organization. Is it clear for everyone? Okay, so now when we talk about pressure groups, what are these pressure groups? How they are different from NGOs? हाँ, देखो NGOs can have the organization of diverse aspirations or interests. One NGO can deliver different services. Is it clear for everyone? देखा होगा एक ही NGO है, एजुकेशन में भी वो काम कर रहा है, बाढ़ आई वहां भी कुछ बांट रहा है, कोविड आया वहां भी वो लगा हुआ है सबको ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को पहुंचाने में. Is it clear for everyone? Now pressure groups are the groups of the people of like-minded interest, right? For example, Bharati Kisan Union works for the Kisan interest only, farmers interest only. Are you getting the point? Akhil Bharati Vidyarthi Parishad is a combination of like-minded students. Are you getting the point? So there are various pressure. A pressure group can also be NGO. Are you getting the point? ठीक है? So NGOs can be a group of the like-minded people and unlike-minded people, but pressure groups are always group of like-minded people. सबको clear है ये? तो differentiate कर लोगे? कैसे करना है? Now coming to self-help groups, what is this? The name itself says the Atmanirbhar group. Means Amul is what? Have you heard about Amul? Amul organization? Amul is self-help group. Lijjat Papad. ठीक है. So there are various organizations which are actually, they are not a corporate organization, corporate company in which the group of directors are deciding the operations of company. It means the self-help group is designed in such a way that certain each and every contributor of that group or organization. Amul is a group of the milkmen. Each and every milkman has equal stake in the organization. That is why, have you heard about that? Who is the owner of Amul? No one is owner of Amul. Okay, so that is actually the combination of all those beneficiaries who are actually providing services and establish their own set of organization by contributing themselves in any mode, either through services or through products. Is it clear?